How to get a motorcycle license in Japan. Make sure to watch the video till the end. First, determine the type of motorcycle license you need. In Japan, licenses are categorized by engine size. Ordinary motorcycle license up to 400cc, minimum age 16. Large motorcycle license over 400cc, minimum age is 18. Make sure you meet the age requirement for the license you want. Enrolling in a Japan driving school is highly recommended. The school prepares you for both the written and skill tests by offering classroom instruction and hands-on motorcycle training, which makes passing the final test easier. Attending a driver school can also exempt you from the practical test depending on the school's accreditation. With a learner's permit, you can practice only at designated driving schools or testing facilities under supervision. Riding on public roads is not allowed. After practicing, you will need to pass a skill test at the driver's license center. If you don't attend a driving school, you must complete a mandatory safety course at the driver's license center. Once you pass both the written and skill test, submit your learner's permit completion certificate and any other required documents to the driver's license center. Pay the final licensing fee, which vary based on the type of license you are applying for. After completing all these steps, your full motorcycle license will be issued, allowing you to legally ride on public roads in Japan. That's it.